Hi guys, Manmohan here. Last time we had a very interesting science class about the charging functionality on Poco X2. Today we are here to talk about a very unique feature on this phone, which is the side-mounted fingerprint scanner. So what is so cool about this? The side-mounted fingerprint scanner, as you can see here, is only 2.4 mm thick. It is ultra slim and remains flush with the side of the phone. Because of this, it makes the phone extremely beautiful. With this decision of having a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, now the rear is extremely beautiful and seamless. Now that makes this phone very beautiful with only camera in the back of the phone. Now let's talk about ergonomics and functionality. If you're a right-handed person, as you can see, the thumb is already there on the fingerprint scanner to unlock your smartphone. If you're a left-handed person, the index finger can automatically rest on the fingerprint scanner to unlock very fastly. So how does this help in your daily life usage? With this fingerprint scanner, you can unlock your phone faster in various conditions. When you are removing the phone from your pocket, when the phone is on the table, or even while eating. I personally believe that this is the most ideal placement for the fingerprint scanner. Not to take away from the front-facing in-display fingerprint scanners, but what we have seen is that they are not yet as fast and efficient as the physical fingerprint scanners, which are both on the side or on the rear. Now let us talk about that rear-mounted fingerprint scanner which I just told. Assume a scenario where your phone has a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, let's say here, okay? And you want to browse this phone for some information, and the phone is on the table. How do you unlock your smartphone? You will have to lift the phone, unlock the smartphone, and then swipe. But with the side-mounted fingerprint scanner, you can be much more productive. You don't need to even lift the phone from the table. Just unlock your smartphone like this, and you're good to go. So that's the beauty of having a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. This is a great example of a human-centric design. We believe this is extremely cool. Let us know in the comment section below as to what aspect of this side-mounted fingerprint scanner you guys really like. Thank you so much and see you next time in another Poco class.